iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video we're going to talk about verb plus ing or to, remember or regret. So as you can see here, we have the mind map, and we will talk about remember, regret, and go on. So these three verbs we will discuss. So let's first talk about remember. So you can remember doing something or remember to do something. So for example, remember doing something means you did it and now you remember it. For example, I clearly remember locking it, and she could not remember driving along the road just before the accident. So these are both examples of remember doing something, which means you did it and now you remember it. So now let's look at the rule for remember to do something. Remember to do something means remember to do something before you do it. For example, please remember to post the letter, and remember to give her some flowers on her birthday. So these are both talking about things before you do them. So remember to do something before you do it. Okay, so we just talked about remember. Let's go on to talk about go on. So you can go on doing something or go on to do something. So go on doing something, for example, you continue with the same thing. So a couple of examples. Number one, we need to change. We can't go on living like this. And the president paused for a moment, then went on talking. So these are both examples of go on to do something, which means continue with the same thing. So now we can look at go on to do something, which means do or say something new. For example, after 2 years, he goes on to get a new scholarship, and she went on working as a manager of the company. So these are both examples of going on to do something, which means to do or say something new. Okay, now let's go to regrets. How to use regrets. You can regret doing something or you can regret to do something. So for example, regret doing something means you did it and now you're sorry about it. For example, I now regret saying what I said. And it began to get cold and I regretted not wearing this coat. Then you can regret to do something. For example, this means you're sorry that you have to say. So for example here, we regret to inform you that we can't accept your application. And we regret to say that we can't find your dog. Okay, so both of these are talking about regret to do something means you're sorry that you have to say. So now here is your completed mind map for verb plus ing or to, remember, regret. So now if you're finished with this, we can click here for the outline. And here you can find the outline for verb plus ing, to remember, to regret. So you can scroll through this, read through it to find more information on how to use these grammar rules. And once you're finished, you can click here to take the test. And in the next video, I'm going to take the test with you. So thank you for joining me in this video where we learned about the grammar rules for verb plus ing or to remember to regret. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.